This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Portfolio. First, understand that Adobe Portfolio is an online platform that allows creatives to quickly and easily build a professional website to showcase their work. This powerful tool integrates smoothly with your Creative Cloud, so accessing your assets is a breeze. You can start by choosing one of the many elegant layouts available, giving your portfolio a polished look right from the beginning. It truly streamlines the process of getting your art online for the world to see. Once you have chosen a base layout, the next step is to populate your portfolio with your actual projects. You can easily add various media types, including high-resolution images, captivating videos, and descriptive text to each page. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes arranging your work simple, allowing you to craft a compelling visual narrative. Experiment with different page layouts for each project to ensure every piece is presented in its very best light. Personalizing your portfolio is essential for reflecting your unique brand and style. You have extensive control over design elements, including hundreds of font choices and an unlimited color palette to match your aesthetic perfectly. Easily add custom pages, such as an About Me section or a dedicated contact form, to provide a complete experience for visitors. Connecting your own custom domain name, perhaps one you already own, gives your site a truly professional and memorable touch. After perfecting your portfolio, publishing it for the world to see is incredibly straightforward, often taking just one click. Ensure your site is discoverable by optimizing its settings with relevant keywords and descriptions, improving its visibility in search results. You can easily share your new portfolio across various social media platforms or embed links in your email signatures and campaigns. Showcasing your talent has never been simpler, opening up new opportunities for your creative journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.